No longer are you going to have to put air in your tire every single time you use your equipment. Thanks for tuning in to the Doing Stuff channel, where we do stuff. If you'd like to support the channel, hit that subscribe button. And any other love is greatly appreciated. You've probably heard of this stuff before. There's many different brands out on the market, or different chemicals that have the same kind of use or same principle or same function to basically keep your air from leaking. It was mainly intended for emergency use only. It's not necessarily a permanent fix. But when you're dealing with a lawnmower tire or a wagon tire around your house, so far I've had no issues in the other areas I've used this stuff. But more importantly, the thing I would put out there about this type of stuff: never use this on a car tire or a vehicle that's going to be driven, across the country. Or even, I wouldn't even put it in a big tire, to be honest with you. Just my personal opinion. The only place I would use this type of chemical or solution or product is on my lawnmowers and my little wagon wheels around the house. The benefits outweigh the costs in those types of equipment, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Now, slime comes with the tool. This is actually a cap for this product, but it's also a tool to remove the valve stem or valve core from your valve stem on your tire. So you would actually use this as a tool. Also comes with this tube that would connect to the product, and then the other end would connect to your valve stem, and that's how you would actually apply the product into your tire. But it kind of shows you how much to use. So it shows a little scooter 8 ounces, shows an actual car 16 ounces, motorcycle 12 ounces, trailer big like U-Haul trailer 16 ounce. I have 16 ounces total in this, and I have 2 tires. I'm just going to split it up, put 8 ounces in each, and go from there.
Step 1, remove valve cap. Step 2, remove valve core. Step 3, ensure tire is flat. Step 4, attach tube to bottle. Step 5, attach tube to valve stem. Step 6, lift bottle to allow fluid to drain and squeeze to a desired amount. Step 7, lower bottle and remove tube from valve stem. Step 8, reinstall valve core into valve stem. Step 9, fill tire with recommended pressure. Step 10, reinstall valve cap.
Step 11, dry, shake or roll tire to disperse product throughout. Repeat the process for remaining tires.
Welcome back to the Doing Stuff channel. In this video, I'm going to they could have at least made mower tires solid rubber. Are you sick and tired of being sick and tired? Are you sick and tired of being sick? Me too. Are you sick and tired of putting air in your There's something there. Did your mower run over a nail? How did she do it?